What's up, guys? As the collector here, just went to Walmart, picked up a Gallade Xbox. Real reason I just picked it up is because they got the Flash Fire, the base set, 2 Phantom Force. So let's open this up right now and see what we get. There is your code for the Gallade Xbox. Alright. Start with 2 Phantom Force. Alright, we have a Venonat, Purloin, Helioptile, we got a Frillish, we got a Litwick, we got a Professor Sycamore, we got a Lipard, we got Azwelius, a Reverse Swirlix, Uncommon, and a Full Art Erisic. Or is that Erisic? Exosic? That is sick. We're getting a lot of full art trainers lately. Awesome. First pack gets a full art. Let's put that to the side. Open the second pack of Force. Good way to start the opening. Alright, we got a Skarmory, we got a Roggenrola, Frillish, Venonat, Chansey, Kingler, we got a Golbat, we got a Enhanced Hammer, we got a Reverse Gavantula, which is a rare, and a regular rare Blissey. Alright, not bad. Now we got XY base set. Let's get it. Alright, we got a Fletchling, Fennekin, Voltor, we got a Chespin, we got a Talo, we got a Shadow Circle, Inkay, Quilladin, Reverse, Chestnut, which is a rare, and a Hollow Gorgeous. Alright, cool. Getting good packs. Every single pack. And best for last, hopefully, Flash Fire. That's what it's all leading up to. Let's get it. Really want that Charizard X so bad. Will I be that lucky though? I don't know. Alright, we got a Lit Leo, we got a Sentret, we got a Helioptile, we got a Flably, we got a Pidgey, we got a Nuzleaf, Pidgeotto, Fiery Torch, Reverse Graveler, and a regular rare Weavile. Alright, guys. So we ended up doing good on all the packs except my most anticipated pack. We got a Chestnut Reverse Rare. We got a Hollow Gorgeous. We got a Reverse Rare Gavantula. And we got a Full Art Exosic Trainer. Supporter card, I should say. Alright, guys. Until next time, as the collector out, and don't forget to subscribe, like these videos, check out my other videos. I'll be posting new ones every single day. Alright guys, as the collector out.